Chairwoman. Chief Provost, thank you for being here today to testify on the challenges you and your agents are facing at our southwest border. This is an important hearing, and I hope my colleagues welcome the chance to hear directly from the Border Patrol about the numbers of people arriving at the United States and why there are so many people at the border stations. This fiscal year alone, your agents have processed more people than reside in the state of Wyoming or the state of Vermont. Perhaps by the end of July, it will be more than the District of Columbia, the state of Alaska, or North Dakota. Those numbers are staggering. I was able to go to the border this year and see firsthand some of what your outstanding people are facing every day. I know the situation has become challenging every week as the numbers have increased. And I know that the officers I met are dedicated people doing their best to rise to meet this crisis. I was very impressed with their honesty and dedication to the mission of the CBP. I think we all agree that camping out in an overcrowded border station office is not the best place for children. That is why HHS is supposed to take those children in as soon as they have a place available. But when HHS ran out of money, they couldn't take the kids. Adults shouldn't be camping out in an overcrowded border station either. I think we all agree with the IG's findings. It is not a safe situation for either the migrants or the Border Patrol agents. That's why ICE is in charge of migrant detention in this country. But when ICE doesn't have enough money or bed space, they can't take the adults. That's why you're left with this overcrowded border stations, because the law does not give you much choice. The answer isn't more tents or more meals. We need to take a comprehensive approach to this problem to address the patchwork of laws, practices, rules, and rulings that make up today's immigration and asylum structures. Until we are willing to do that, I fear we will never really solve the humanitarian crisis that we have today. Chief Provost, again, I want to thank you for meeting with me yesterday. I learned a tremendous amount from our conversation. Please pass along my personal gratitude to the men and women of the Border Patrol for their work. I'm very much looking forward to your testimony. Thank you, and I yield back the balance of my time.